that car is safe. They're all standing. There's another one.
So busy staring at that.
Good morning. It is morning right here. We just stopped to the wine bazaar. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and we get wine because we have one wine left in the house and I'm planning to bring it in my house. And my sister-in-law love wine and there's no more wine in the house, so that's why my husband got some for her. I know some people that, you know, I saw the previous vlog I have. Some people said, and I understand that I keep talking English, even my grammar and the pronunciation is not right. And what else? Yeah, and some people would think, some people would think that like pa English pa tong kigwahon nato. Kigwahon nato. Hindi naman nagkadimao. Hindi naman nagkadimao. Ano ba to, Tagalog, Bisaya? Make sure. Just let me talk English, guys, because my English doesn't poison me or doesn't going to kill me. So, but you know what? This is how I will learn. I'm sorry. I don't graduate any of you guys that even you don't finish school, your perfect English is fine because you're used to it, or because you have a good profession, or you finish studying or something like that, or your family is spoken English. It's not good English. As long as you guys understand me, that's perfectly good. I'm looking at my husband's car right now. There's something, a drawer, I don't know what's that. Oh, it's a cover. I don't even know. So anyway, so that's it. Pansit. Bisan pag magbisaya ko, guys, no, or Tagalog. My Tagalog is not even perfect. I don't even know how to put everything. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can speak Tagalog but very bakikaw. It's a very bakikaw Tagalog, and how much more in English? Very bakikawi. What are you doing?
Got a cheap bottle of scotch.
My husband is making sandwich, and this is the bread, and I don't have nothing to eat this morning.
Okay, the husband who goes to work and buys a bologna sandwich.
Yours is a bologna.
My wife, who has nothing, says, "Oh, I like steak. I'm gonna have steaks all the time. Steaks. You have bologna."
You know what?
Hey, you know
You're
what?
such a crappy
I
guy.
have nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing. My hand is so
This is the tuna that I
unfair.
made yesterday. He ate it.
Yeah, you made it on Thursday night or Friday morning. Not yesterday.
Oh yeah. So that's how he make it like that. I don't know why he add mayonnaise in the bread. I don't understand that, but there's a lot of mayonnaise already in that.
Because the bread is very dry.
The bread is dry. It won't get dry because of that. There is another salad over there. That's bad. There is another one over there from the other house. Under, look, under. Behind everything.
Yeah. Big old here, but okay.
And of course these two here. I fed them, doesn't eat their food. What do you want, Rox?
Is there anything you guys are eating?
Oh, this is what I got, guys, from Costco. Salmon. I supposedly cook this like sis Lane's vlog. If you watch her, she is a vlogger also, and I saw her making the salmon with cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese and mayonnaise. And I get 2 mangoes. I get the little ripe and the one it's green. I like the green. And I got 3 boxes of croissants. I get this broccoli, fresh broccoli. It's cut already. I just cooked it before I go. And that they have some vegetables over here, and I bring half of it to the other house. I will bring some vinegar also because I don't have. If I cook salmon over there, I always put vinegar and a little oil. So we have a lot of oil anyway, so I'm just gonna bring 1 gallon of container, and the vinegar I'm just gonna use this one. Look, used to. This is the good thing. This is what I like about. I used to just pouring small hole from a bottle or anything or a gallon without spilling anything, because I'm used to when I was in the forest, when I was, when I was young, we used to get water from the, from the forest, and we save a lot of water. We don't want to waste water, so we like pour like that, very perfect, without any spilling any waters like that. So I'm used to spilling anything that it won't even make a mess. Let's see what I'm gonna give them. This one, Tommy said they don't like that. This one here, this is a dog food here, and this is a cat. They have different kind of flavor. So this is Fancy Fest tender turkey fish. We just left the house, guys. My sister-in-law's there. It's a riot. Every time my sister's in the house, it's always a riot. We're stopping to, where we stopping, Han? The Asian store, because I'm gonna make something, and I like to have that, and my husband love it, and I love it, and we love vegetables. Instead of eating eat a lot of vegetables. Sisu. Hi.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Huh? You looking stuff? You looking stuff? Excuse me, sir. Looking for stuff. No. Looking for a thing over here. I'm gonna do it later because I need to get some vegetables. We have a lot of pork in here, guys. The guy is getting, I ordered some fish. Pampano. There's namin it's another. It's gonna be. So yeah. There, my husband, crazy husband.
You got black choy? Black choy.
Bok choy. We got some, the calamansi thing, the Maggi calamansi thing.
You cannot be me. I am a master swordsman. You must remember that always.
My husband is cray. My husband is fun to be with, because if he's not fun and he's just being like the other personality that he has, and if I love him, guys. I love him so much.
Up to the Kashi
There is an accident over here, guys.
Earlier, but still, tough ride.
Accident, guys.
Yeah, we have a big house, ambulance and nothing.
Not yet. I think just happened.
Nah, you hear siren.
Slowing down, that's why.
Somebody's bumper's off the car. That car got hit really bad.
Yeah, did you see that, guys?
He must have went spinning because this car must have hit him. Car. That was in really bad shape. Yeah, airbags are on top.
At least all the people in that car is safe. They're all standing.
There's another one up here. What the hell?
There's
This guy
another
was so
one.
busy staring at that accident that he wound up.
Look, there is another. Holy cow, there is another one, because they're so
BMW too.
busy. Huh?
BMW.
The wheels is just like popped out.
Right off.
Yeah. Accident. That's what happened when there is an accident. People driving and they're like this. Oh, what's going on? And then that's why the traffic start, even though it's in the side.
Rubbernecking.
Yeah. So when they do like that, and then they just keep turning their head,
And then they hit
and
somebody else.
yeah, that's what happened. Nosy people. I just got home, guys. Now I'm trying to cook. I'm just cutting all this giant string beans and red bell pepper in ginger and lemongrass. I boiled the mongo over here. Boiled it, and I have this cut already. I have some bok choy over here, and I like sea salt. Sea salt is healthy than iodized. That's what I heard. And this. My husband doesn't eat fish, so what I'm going to do, I mean, well, my husband eat fish. He eat fish, guys, but not kind of the fish that I just showed you. So I'm gonna just use this one. This is really good. I showed you this, the tilapia fillet. Look at the fish. Hi, fishy fishy. Hi, fishy fishy. I fried the fish, but I cover it with a paper plate because it's just getting splashing. I don't want to splash everywhere. Beer. We're drinking beer. Done. My fish is done. The this was done, and my husband's fish tilapia is done too. So right now we're having a margarita. This is good, and we're going outside. Let's see. We're going to the porch.
Spots.
Good night, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Okay, turn that off.
You turn it on, turn it off.
Oh, I'll turn the light off because we're watching a movie. Oh shit, the fan. Okay, so there's our movie in the wall. Look at it. Watching movie. Good night, guys. We're just going to relax and watch a movie for now because I'll wash my face later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.